This is the sad thing I just found. When I just walked by, I saw a stray cat eating the bird. So it's really sad because of survival, he needs to do something very bad. So he's trying his best. This is a sad reality, guys. But we cannot blame the stray cat. They need also to survive. So you see the long teeth that he has. This is what you use to kill this bird. Just for survival. So how sad is this, guys? But he doesn't have any choice. The stray cat has no choice also. In order to survive, he needs to kill the bird. I hope it could help her to survive. See? This is so sad reality.